Good evening, myself Mithun, and today I'm going to deliver a presentation of speech based on Unity Day. And this speech is all about unity, as you know, because the title only refers to National Unity Day. I'm going to start my speech with the quote. Religious is a matter between the man and the maker. And because if a man discriminates a person based on their color, caste, as well as etc., which this quote explains further. So I'm going to ask question about what is your opinion about this quote based on unity? What does that quote mean? It's compulsory.
Means they wanted to say that religion is made by beliefs. So they wanted to just say that man and the beliefs are it's the matter is between man and the beliefs. Whatever he wants to say.
About this growth. I think it's one of the best quote. I think it talks about religion, right? So it's nice. Yeah, that's right. That's nice.
Thank you for saying your opinions based on this quote as a quote. And this quote is said by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and is also called as Iron Man of India. And this is some information of National Unity Day. National Unity Day falls on the 31st of October every year. Narendra Modi inaugurated National Unity Day. There is a famous saying that unity is the strength by India. Statue of Unity is a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at Parliament Street, New Delhi. Many programs are planned to highlight the struggle and efforts made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for uniting the whole nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the best example of uniting the nation. So, can you give some examples? Those who people fought for unity in India. There are famous names. Other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He's a reformer, moderates. So, any other persons who fought for unity?
Unity, I think Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was the main one. I think. Yeah.
Bal Tilak was another person and is also considered as moderates. And he only invented Ganesh Chaturthi, and he told that this festival will unite all the people together
Yes.
for
Yeah,
this.
that's what he said.
And this is some information about National Unity Day. As you know, National Unity Day falls on the 31st of October every year. Narendra Modi inaugurated National Unity Day. There is a famous, as with the same information of and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I'm going to ask some questions based on this slide.
Okay.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the dynamic and famous leaders of the country. He was born on 31st October 1985 in a small village in Gujarat. And Patel was a freedom fighter and participated in many freedom struggles against the British broad authorities. And he was a close associate to Mahatma Gandhi, and he joined the Indian National Congress.